Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how successful businesses make those smart decisions about what to sell, what price to charge and where to invest? A lot of it comes down to something called business economics. Sounds fancy? Well, don't worry. Today we are going to break down exactly what business economics is, what it does, and why it's crucial for any business, big or small. Let's make it super simple. Okay, now first things first. You remember how regular economics studies choices people and societies make with limited stuff? You remember the economics definition, the modern economics definition? Well, business economics takes those core economic ideas like supply, demand, cost, and apply them directly to business problems. Okay, now think of it as economics in action for businesses. It helps managers figure out the best way to run things so that they can achieve their goals in a faster way. Okay, usually to make good profits. It is also called as managerial economics, but it's the same thing. Okay, now let us understand what is the personality of business economics. Okay, what is business economics like? Business economics, it's mostly microeconomic because it focuses on individual company or individual industry. It is practical. It's about solving real world business challenges. It is often normative. Okay, it is normative because it suggests what businesses should do. You remember the positive aspect and normative aspect which we discussed in last class, right? Positive economics is basically about facts, normative is about opinions, right? So business economics is very often this is normative because it suggests what businesses should do. Okay, and this is decision focused. Business economics is decision focused. Its main job is to improve choices. Business economics is also interdisciplinary, which means it mixes economics with a lot of other subjects like maths, statistics, management ideas. Okay, now basically this is a practical problem solving toolkit for manager. So business economics is a practical problem solving toolkit for managers. Now let us understand what does business economics cover. What is the playground of business economics? What kind of problems does this toolkit solve? Okay, now business economics dives into key areas. Let's actually discuss some of them. Demand analysis. Now figuring out how many people will buy our stuff or what can affect their decision. Okay, these helps forecast sales. These are demand analysis. The second one is cost analysis. We're trying to understand how much does it cost to make a product or how can we be more efficient. These decisions can be made in business economics. Pricing, deciding what could be the right price for our product. Okay, what should be the price where the customers are more attracted. That decision is made through pricing. This is also into business economics. Then profit management, asking how much do we maximize our profits. Then investment decision, now helping answers say like should we spend money for the new project or should we buy new machines. Okay, like capital management, these decisions. Then market analysis, understanding who are the competitors, what is the competition like. Okay, all this falls under business economics. So it covers a huge range of important decisions businesses face every day. Okay, that is the complete playground of business economics. Now what is basically a business economics? What is its role in decision making? Okay, now the absolute core purpose of business economics is to improve decision making. Business economics helps to make improved decision making, to make better choices. Okay, now businesses constantly make choices. Business economics provides the logic, the framework, and the analytical tools to make those choices smarter. Instead of just doing guessworks, managers they use economic policies to weigh the pros and cons. They predict the outcomes and choose the best path towards their goals. Okay, now why making decisions is tricky. Okay, it's always not easy. Even after using all these tools, managers do face real challenges. Now what are these challenges? Uncertainty. The future is unpredictable. Competition might do something unexpected, or customer tastes might change. Okay, limited information. You never have perfect data anytime. Whenever you want to get something, the data is never perfect. That's one of the limitations. That is the reason making decisions will become tricky. Conflicting goals. Sometimes what happens is maximizing profit might not be the main goal. Your main goal could be satisfying customers, or probably in one quarter the business might think that this quarter we want to actually spend a lot of money towards employees. Okay, so conflicting goals. Risk. Every decision has some risk. Now how much is too much is a big question. Okay, so how much risk you can take is a big tricky question. Next, time pressure. Often when making decisions, business decisions, time is a crucial factor. Decision needs to be very fast. Now business economics helps manage these challenges, but they are always part of the business reality. Okay, now let's just wrap it up. Business economics is the practical application of economic ideas to help businesses make smarter decisions about everything from pricing to production to investment. Okay, it's micro focused, practical, and decision oriented. While challenges like uncertainty exist, understanding business economics will give businesses a massive advantage in navigating the complex world and achieving success. Okay, I hope this has made business economics a bit clearer. It is super relevant field if you are interested in say business or management, if you are doing BCom, even for BA. Okay, now if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more simple explanations of business and economic concepts. Okay, and let me know in comments what's one business decision you find interesting. Now thank you for watching. See you in the next video.